Hi, I'm Katrina. I've just completed Work's PQ mental fitness program and it's been absolutely incredible. The term mental health I think has quite negative connotations in this world, and I've always considered the fact that I'm a really positive person. I've got really what I consider really good mental health. So it was one of those things that I hadn't really given much thought to or kind of looked into, and then Work came across this program and the term mental fitness really struck a chord with me because, as we all know, you've got to work on your physical fitness to maintain a level of health and well-being, and so the idea of actually working on mental fitness was something that really interested me. The program, although it's quite intense for those first 6 weeks, has been awesome. It's really practical, quite down to earth. You learn some awesome tools that you can apply to your life. I've tried meditation and stuff in the past and found it really, really difficult to do nothing and to quiet my brain and to just sit there, where this is not that. So the PQ reps just really take your focus to one thing, and I find them really, really calming. And Shazad and everyone in the program is really encouraging of the fact that you're not perfect, you are human, and that you won't always do a perfect practice because there is no such thing as that perfect thing we all aim for. So it's been really refreshing to have that thing, and I'm really excited to continue on this journey with Work and do some more of the Grow program and just learn a few more tools. I've been really focusing on my relationships with my partner and our communication, and so to pick up some tools that are going to help with that is just well worth the money. So if you're thinking of signing up to this, and even if you think you've got really good mental health, you definitely can work on your mental fitness and improve that sort of area of your life and give you overall really good well-being.